Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy 10-minute gathered skirt. I'm using cotton fabric and I have used around 1.5 meter of fabric. Fabric width is 54 inches. Here I have folded the fabric by half in length, then in width to get two equal panels. After folding, length is 26 inches and width is 27 inches. And now I'll cut it from the top to separate two panels. So I've got two panels, one for front and one for back. Now place the panel right sides together and sew the side seams using 1/2 inch of seam allowance. So I've stitched the side seams. Now I'll finish the bottom, and on the waist side I'll fold the casing for elastic. I have folded the bottom edge twice and I've ironed it, and now I'll make a stitch on the edge to secure it. So I finished the bottom round. Now to make the waistband, I've folded down the top edge by 1.5 inches to create a casing for elastic. I have ironed the seam allowance, and now I'll stitch the edge to secure it. I'll leave around 1 inch of space to insert the elastic. So I've stitched it. Now I'm using 1 inch white elastic, 30 inches long for 32 inch of waist. So I'll just insert the elastic using safety pin. And now overlap and stitch the elastic ends together. So I've joined the elastic. Now stretch the waist, and now I'll close the opening I've left to insert the elastic. And lastly, I'll make a top stitch on the elastic band. It will keep the elastic in place and it will distribute the gathers all around the waist equally. And that's it. Here is the final look of our 10-minute skirt. Soft gathers, great fall, and super comfortable. You can wear this casually or even dress it up. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple swing ideas. Thank you so much for watching.